Hi guys, this is Jasmine again, and I want to share with you my quick haul that I did at Publix. So thank you for selecting this video. If you're new, thank you for selecting Excited for Coupons. So I really hope that you enjoy it and see the haul. And from almost $32, everything came out to almost $4. So let's just get started. You want to see a more detailed breakdown of both Publix weekly ad and deals, you could visit my site at excitedforcoupons.com. And also, if you need any coupons from the deals that I'm sharing with you, they're going to be provided in the description box. So this is the first deal that I did. This is why I also love couponing, because you're able to try some products that you probably didn't consider before, but with so many coupons and deals, this is the best time to actually get them. This is an item that I really want to try. It's a Nature Valley granola cups, and they're on BOGO for $3.99. There is a printable coupon still available that is 50 cents on one, which is rare. We usually get it on two. And also there is an offer for Saving Star for one of the granola cups. So when you buy two and you use those coupons and you submit it to Saving Star, the total comes out to $2.49 or just $1.25 each. For this item, I noticed that different stores, they varies in prices. So at least in this store that I went to, it was for $1.99. And there is a Boda rebate, but it specifies that it has to be in manzanilla olives. And also the printable coupon that is available, you do have to sign up, and they do take a little bit before you receive it in your inbox. So if you don't receive the coupons, you could still do this offer just with the iBoda offer, and it comes out to free. So what I did was I purchased two. They're for $1.99. Since the price was a little different, it is for $1.99. You could use that printable coupon if you do have it, and then submit it to iBoda. It just gives you one for each item, or one rebate. So it came out to free and $1.01 moneymaker. As you can see, there's different options. There's $7.99 and $8.49 depending how much it is in your store for the Cooked Perfect meatballs. I selected the $7.99, which is the Italian style. There is a printable coupon that is pretty high. It's $1.50 for one, so right there it deducts $3 plus the BOGO deal. So what I did was I purchased two for $7.99. I used two of the printable coupon, deducting $3, and my total came out to $4.99 or $2.50 each bag. I really like this deal because this is a good brand of eggs, and as you can see, the price could range from $2 to almost $3, and so they're on special 2 for $4. But there is a there is a coupon in the insert that you could actually use as well. So what I did was I purchased three, since I don't think there's any limits on the coupon, and it came out to $6 before coupon. That's the special price. So for buying three, my total was $6. I used three coupons deducting 50 cents each, so it deducted $1.50. So it came out to $4.50 for three of them, or just $1.50 each. I was told about this deal, and I was so happy to see that I believe it was my Publix coupon buddy. I will put the link. I think she talked about this, and it says that it was okay to use this coupon. So the thing that it gives you a limit of one, so I was able to print two. So I purchased two of these items for $1.89. After buying two, the total came out to $3.78 plus tax, so the total was $4.04. After deducting both of the coupons, it came out to free and $1.96 moneymaker. This was my haul. None of the items gave any problems. It was easy to find. The only one was the eggs, because we did have to ask for more because there was only two. But everything else was actually available in the store. I didn't get other items because I didn't receive those coupons in my inserts. But you want to see the complete list, I'm going to provide that in the description box in case you do have those inserts, and so that way you don't miss out on those deals. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this haul. And as you can see, this is why I love couponing, because you could save so much as well. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a like if you like the video, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. So thank you so much for watching. Until the next video. Bye.